You know your handyman business should post something useful. So you open a blank calendar, stare at 30 empty boxes, and close it again. The problem is not that you lack ideas. Your services, estimates, customer questions, completed jobs, and seasonal planning already contain the ideas. In this video, we'll use ChatGPT to organize those real inputs into a 30-day content plan in about 20 minutes. We're not going to publish 30-week posts. We'll plan a realistic schedule with stronger posts, reusable formats, and room for actual customer work. Start with 4 buckets. Education answers a homeowner question without giving unsafe repair instructions. Proof of work uses verified project facts, inappropriately approved media. Process explains how your business handles estimates, preparation, communication, cleanup, or walkthroughs. Local and seasonal relevance connects real services with timely planning in your actual service area. These buckets prevent a month of repetitive before and after photos or nonstop sales pitches. They also make gaps obvious. If every idea is promotional, add education and process. If every post is advice, add proof that shows how your business operates. Create a short inventory before prompting AI. List the services you genuinely provide, 5 questions customers regularly ask, 3 business processes you can explain, any completed projects with appropriate permission, and seasonal issues that actually matter in your area. Add your preferred platforms and realistic posting capacity. Do not include private customer details, addresses, payment information, access instructions, or media you are not approved to use. Marks on certain items as unavailable rather than asking ChatGPT to fill the gaps. 10 minutes spent building this inventory can supply months of factual ideas. Use this prompt. Create a 30-day content idea bank for my handyman business using only the verified inputs below. Organize ideas into education, proof of work, business process, and local or seasonal relevance. For each idea, give a purpose, recommended format, factual source, media needed, and low-pressure call to action. Do not invent a customer, completed job, testimonial trend, seasonal condition, credential, guarantee price, savings, diagnosis, service area, or result. Mark ideas unusable if they require facts or media I did not provide. Avoid repeating the same hook. My realistic capacity is a confirmed number of main posts and short updates per week. Verified inputs. Do not place every AI idea on the calendar. Score each one from 1 to 3 in 3 categories. Usefulness to a local homeowner. Strength of your supporting facts or media. And production effort. Prioritize ideas that are useful, well-supported, and realistic to create. A completed project with approved photos may score high on evidence. A common customer question may score high on usefulness and require only a simple graphic. An idea about a trend you cannot verify should not be scheduled at all. This short review turns an oversized AI list into a trustworthy working plan. For many small service businesses, 3 strong main posts per week can be more sustainable than daily filler. A sample week might use an educational question on Monday, a verified project or service explanation on Wednesday, and a process or local planning post on Friday. Short updates can fill appropriate gaps when you have something real to share. Ask ChatGPT to distribute the 4 buckets, alternate formats, and avoid placing similar topics next to each other. Then move anything that conflicts with your workload. The calendar serves the business. The business does not serve the calendar. Use a simple timer. During the first 5 minutes, update the verified inventory. During the next 5, generate and score the idea bank. Use 5 more minutes to place the strongest ideas on the calendar. Spend the final 5 minutes identifying exactly what each post needs. 1 photo, a diagram, 3 facts, a customer question, or a short video clip. Do not try to write and publish the whole month during this planning session. The goal is to remove uncertainty, so each production session begins with a clear assignment. Not every post needs call now. Match the next step to the post. An educational post can ask homeowners to save the checklist. A completed job post can invite readers to document a similar symptom before requesting an inspection. A process post can explain what information to include with an inquiry. A seasonal post can encourage planning before the schedule becomes limited, but only if that statement is accurate. Rotate calls to action and keep them low pressure. Do not let AI invent urgency, availability, discounts, or a reason someone must act immediately. Review the entire calendar before producing it. Look for repeated hooks, unsupported services, unapproved photos, private information, invented seasonal claims, exaggerated results, and advice that could be unsafe without an inspection. Confirm the service area and business details. Make sure every completed job idea points to real records and permission status. Then label each item as ready, needs assets, needs verification, or replace. This review protects you from creating 20 drafts around a bad assumption. AI can help flag problems, but you make the publishing decision. The prompt and 4-bucket planner are in the description. Set a 20-minute timer and create your first idea bank from services and questions you already know. You do not need 30 finished posts today. You need a trustworthy plan that tells you what to create next. Which bucket is easiest for you? Education, proof of work, process, or local and seasonal relevance? Tell me below. Subscribe to AI Work Crew for practical AI systems for local service businesses. Next, we'll turn scattered calls, notes, estimates, material needs, and invoices into a simple 5-day handyman work plan.